If you want to add any additional details for these products, you can do it directly from the AppClust dashboard. Select the Products tab at the bottom. Here, you'll see a list of all the products you added from the Excel sheet. Choose the product for which you want to add more information. At the top right corner, you'll find a button named Additional Fields. Click on it. A new tab will open. Here, we've already set up the fields where you can add extra product details. These fields are customized based on your project requirements. For example, you'll see sections like Specifications and Features. In the Specifications field, you can enter data in Markdown format. For example, if you want to show a list or table of specifications, you can write it in Markdown and click the Preview button to see how it looks. Next, in the Features section, you can add bullet points, lists, or any text using the built-in text editor. You can also preview this before saving. Once you're done, click Submit and then Save. Your additional product details have now been added successfully.